We're visiting the Talking Shop today, created by Oh My Days Productions. This is a fantastic space which invites people to come in and chat, connect and learn about democracy. Today we're launching our interim report here. Over the last year, people all over Wales have joined a national conversation about the future of Wales. And today we've produced a report at this halfway point in the Commission's work on our findings so far. The report concludes that the current political structure isn't viable for providing stability and prosperity for Wales. We believe there are three alternative constitutional routes for how Wales could be run that could improve the lives of the people of Wales. The first option is to strengthen and secure the current devolution settlement. Option 2 is a federal approach with a new UK constitution which creates equality between England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. And the third, independence, where Wales would become a sovereign country. Each of these options presents opportunities, challenges and more questions. Whatever your thoughts on the conclusions of our interim report, there's still plenty more work to be done. There's still time to have your say and shape how Wales could be governed in the future.